Hi, my name is Dr. Jeanelle de Gruchy. I'm Director of Public Health for Tameside, and I want to thank all of you who live or study or work in Tameside for your incredible effort in helping us to reduce the spread of COVID. It's having a big impact, so we are managing to bring the rate of transmission of COVID down. We're now at about 300 per 100,000 people getting infected, but that's still too many people getting infected. It's still too high a rate. So I want to really stress to everyone the importance of continuing to follow the rules, to stay at home unless really essential in order to help us protect the NHS and to save lives. We know that the new variant of COVID is now dominant in Tameside. It's far more easily passed from person to person. It's far more easier to catch it. And we know that now we're seeing a lot more outbreaks in local workplaces and other settings within Tameside. I really want to encourage everyone to behave as if you have COVID. Question every move you make to consider whether you are socially distancing sufficiently, whether any what reason you're leaving the house is for essential purposes only. Make sure that you continue to wash your hands, wear a face covering. And if you are symptomatic, please do make sure that you get a test. So that's if you've got a fever, continuous cough, or you've lost your sense of taste or smell, or if it's changed, get yourself a test. You can get through the online service, so that's nhs.uk/coronavirus, or call 111. And then, of course, if your test is positive, please follow the guidance and self-isolate immediately and let us know who you've been in contact with so we can help them protect themselves and those who they come in contact with. So the good news is the vaccination rollout across Tameside and Glossop is going extremely well. More than 25,000 people who are vulnerable to severe illness are already vaccinated. But it's going to take time to take effect and for everyone in the community to be protected. Also, it's important to realise that when you've had the vaccine, that helps you because it means that you have a less severe illness if you were to get COVID. But you can still get COVID and you can still pass it on to others, which means that everyone who's been vaccinated still needs to follow all the rules so that they don't get for COVID themselves or pass it on to anyone else. Now, the majority of people are following the rules, which is fantastic. As I say, it really absolutely needs all our collective effort. But there are a small number of people who aren't, and we are ensuring that officers go out, they do spot checks on businesses, respond to concerns, queries, complaints, and investigate, the reports that we do get in of any things like household gatherings or parties. So we will step up that enforcement activity as necessary. I really want to thank everyone who has put in a huge effort to ensure that we, as quickly as possible, get the rate of COVID down so that we can protect as many people as possible and protect the NHS.